Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Grand Online Academy. My name is Teacher Cabdicasiis and welcome my dear students on this lesson on describing my routine or describing my daily activity, okay? So inshallah, and everyone has a daily activities. Everyone wakes up in the morning. What do you do in the morning? And at dhuhr time, what do you do? At the evening, at the afternoon, okay? So inshallah, we'll try to describe our daily activity, okay? Inshallah, kusoo dhawaada Grand Online Academy. maanta casharkan wuxuu ka hadlayaa daily activity-gaaga, yacni maalin walba waxbaad qabataa soo maaha. Marka saad u sheegi lahayd ama qofka ugu sharxi lahayd daily activity-gaaga, maanta casharkan intaas uu ka hadlaya inshallah. Waa cashar kooban. Fadlan please, I want you to be attentive. Waa inaad ii soo jeedaan inshallah saad u fahantaan casharka. Jazakallahu khair. Thank you. So inshallah, as you can see, after from the title, we have here weekdays. Weekdays. Okay, weekdays, and us in Somalia or anywhere in the Muslim countries, it's from Saturday till Wednesday. From Saturday till Wednesday. Okay, but in the Western countries, it's Monday to Friday. Okay, Monday to Friday. So it's weekdays, and also there's a word called weekend. Okay, weekend are the other 2 days, which is Thursday and Friday. Okay, here in Somalia. Okay, and in Western countries it's Saturday and Sunday. Okay, Saturday and Sunday. So we basically talk about what we do on weekdays. Okay, on weekdays. Okay, let's move on. In the morning, after I get up, in the morning, I usually get up at 7. For me, some people may get up at 5 in the morning, okay, 5 a.m. But some people, they usually get up at 7. يعني wuxuu soo kacan wuxuu toosaa 7 subaxdii 7 subaxnimo ayuu toosaa. Marka waxaan ka hadlaynaa wax kale ma wax weyn waa daily activity ama routine-kaaga maalinta aad qabanayso, okay? Qofkan kale wuxuu toosaa 7 in the morning, 7 a.m. in the morning. I usually get up at 7 a.m. Okay, after waking up, and I have a shower. After waking up, he has a shower, okay? يعني waxa weeyaan shower wax kale ma he has a shower, and يعني uu qofku meeranaya weeyaan amba dushku gelaya. I have a shower, okay? I have a shower. Waan meeranaya weeyaan. I have a shower. Okay? After taking a shower, he gets dressed. Wuu libisanaya, qofka wuu libisanaya amba dharkiisa wuu xiranaya. Okay? He gets dressed. Okay. After getting dressed, wuu libisanaya ka wada dressed waxa weeyaan dharkiisa iska xiranaya. Okay. After getting dressed, he moves on and he has his breakfast. Okay? يعني breakfast amba wuxuu cunaya quraacdiisa. Breakfast. I have breakfast. Okay? So and kusayr elno, he gets up at 7 to do sotosia, and then he will take shower, or he has a shower. I have a shower, and then I get dressed on libisania. Number 4, which is I have breakfast. Amba and hunaya amba quraacdeeda baan qaadanaya. Okay. After having breakfast, he leaves home at 8 a.m. He leaves home at 8 a.m. I usually leave home at 8 a.m. Okay, guriga ka baxaya after taking breakfast. He leaves home at 8 a.m. Okay, and maybe students they leave at 6 a.m. Some students they leave at 5:30. So it depends on what you're planning to do that day. Okay. After leaving from your place or after leaving home, I get to work at 8:30. And 8:30. So inshallah weeyaan halkan wuxuu yimid shaqadiis goobta shaqadu yimid workplace you yimid 8:30 a.m. waxa weeyaan 8 barka ama 8 nus ay dhaaftay weeyaan 8:30 a.m. 8:30 subaxnimo 8 nus subaxnimo amba 2 saac iyo bar subaxnimo weeyaan 2 saac iyo bar subaxnimo. Okay, and after getting to his workplace, and working after getting to his workplace and working for the whole day. He finishes work at 5 p.m. He finishes work at 5 p.m. shanta galabnimo amba 12 saac galabnimo yuu shaqada joojinaya. He finishes work at 5 p.m. Okay, and I have dinner at 8:15 p.m. deedii rubuc habeenimo wuxuu qaadanaya cashadiisa. Qofka cashadiisa yani uu casheynaya. Okay, uu casheynaya. Okay, I have dinner at 8:15 p.m. Okay, 2 saac iyo rubuc habeenimo weeyaan bacda cishaay qofku uu casheynaya. And after eating dinner he goes to bed at 11:30. He goes to bed at 11:30 p.m. 12 amba 5 saac iyo nus yuu tegayaa wuxuu tegayaa sariirtiisa. Bed wax weyn waa sariirta halkuu seexan lahaa weeyaan ayuu tegayaa 12 saac iyo badh. dabcan marka wax weyn wuxuu isku diyaarinayaa inuu seexdo ayuu isku diyaarinayaa. Okay, and then he sleeps 7 hours a night. He sleeps 7 hours a night. I sleep 7 hours a night. يعني waxaan hurdaa 7 saacadood habeenkii. 7 saacadood baan hurdaa. I sleep 7 hours a night. Okay, some people they sleep 8 hours a night. Some they could take longer sleeps such as 9 hours, 10 hours. Okay, so it depends on the person. Okay, I sleep 7 hours a night. Okay, it depends on the person, and also it depends on how tired you are. If you're very tired, you may sleep 9 hours, 10 hours. Qofka ku xiranta hadduu qofka aad u daaliyo ilaa 9 hours u gaarsiiya. Okay, so inshallah basically this lesson was very simple, and what I need you to do is inshallah, and I want you to inshallah write your daily activity and put it in the comment section, in the comments, and inshallah we'll be replying back to you. Marka waxaan rabaa inaad qorto your daily activity. For example, you get up at what time, eat breakfast at what time, and if you're going to school, what time are you going to school? If you're going to the workplace, what time are you going to the workplace? Okay, and what time are you eating the lunch? Okay, if you're having a nap, and this person didn't have a nap. Okay, if you're having a nap, what time or what period of time are you taking the nap? Okay, so inshallah sidaas aan isku ognay. Jazakallahu khair. That will be the end of the lesson, my dear students, and see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.